Okay, so we have a chemistry question that says the diagram shows an application of electrolysis. Electrolysis, this is the breaking of a substance by the direct passage of electricity through the solution. So where is the solution here? It is this one. Copper 2 sulfate aqueous here. You have seen that? Yes. This simply means that once electricity passes through this aqueous copper 2 sulfate, then this copper will split, meaning it will form the positive, then sulfate will form the what? The negative. We know that, okay? Now, let us continue. They're saying the above application is known as dash. What name is given to this application here? Okay, now you must know something here. The object which is being electroplated here, it is the what? The spoon. So in short, we're given a spoon and then we want to cover the spoon with another metal, to coat the spoon with another metal in simple terms. So the one which is being electroplated here, it is the spoon. Now the spoon is always connected to the what? To the cathode. So meaning this plate is the cathode. Now the cathode, it is receiving the what? The negative charges from where? From the batteries. So if this here is the cathode, meaning that this copper here, the copper rod, will be the what? The anode, which is receiving the what? The positive charges there. Now there are two things here. There are this here, which is the aqueous solution here, and again we are given the plates there. I hope you have seen the difference here. Now let us continue. Now you must understand something here, that when electricity flows through this solution here, then the copper here, this substance is going to dissociate, to break, to split. So once it splits, then it's going to form copper ions which are positive. Now these copper ions which are positive will be attracted to the spoon. You have seen, eh? Why? Because the spoon, it is receiving the negative and the copper are positive, so they're going to attract. So meaning that the copper ions will be attracted to the spoon, while the sulfate will be attracted to the what? To the copper rod there. Now let us continue. Now you must know something here, that while this is being coated here, while the copper here, the copper ions are being coated to this spoon, at the same time, there is also this copper rod which is being replenished, meaning that it's more like being diminished. While this is being diminished, it is being replaced by this copper, because it is also breaking. It is also in a solution. Now coming to the question, they're saying the above application is known as what? So this is what we call this word here, electroplating, which is the answer. Why? Because we are plating, or we are coating, which is the silver spoon, by the what? The copper ions.